carefully, okay? You have to listen to me carefully. Yes. Now listen, write today's date on top. 5-10. 5-10. Right on top. Checking subtraction using addition. We are just going to do that. Now, not talking in between, please. You have to listen. Now we are taking example 1 over there. Don't say anything in your textbook now because you have done already. There it's printed now. We will learn to check for subtraction using addition. Now we are giving two numbers. Always we have to write the biggest number first. Just look at the screen. I will tell you when to look into your book. Now question is subtract 24 from 68. That we have to do first. Okay, from. After from, I need your help. I want 1 minute. Adonia. Why Adonia is not in class today? Okay, now. I want from last. Jane, new girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please help me, new girl. Now, read the question. Subtract 24 from 68. 68. And check your answer. Don't worry. Check your answer.
Ma'am, what page number? Your answer.
Judah, page number 60. Now, see, don't disturb in between like this. You just take out your textbook. Now, listen, Jane, always you must write big number first. Now, what is the big number there in that question? 24 or 68? 24 or 68? 68. So, you have to write 68 first. Then you must put the symbol. That is minus. So what is the next number? Who's that asking for page number?
24.
Jane, page. No, you don't see the textbook now. You look at the screen and tell me because already in the textbook it's done.
What is the page number?
6. You're those who are joining late are disturbing the class.
24.
Page number. Who's that asking page number? Tell me, I'll tell you. I want the name of the child. Your camera is not on. Jake, page number 60. Please join before time, Jake, please. Page number 60. Now, don't see the textbook now. You look at the screen because already it's done. Okay. Now, Jane, you just tell me 68 minus 24. We are going to take 24 from 68. Can you do it in one's place? Okay. You just tell me. What is 8 minus 4? It's already done over here. It's already done. What is 8 minus 4? 4. 6 minus 2? 2. No, 6 minus 2. 4. Now wait. Now children, you have got the answer 68 minus 24 equals 44. Yes. 44. But we have to check. Yeah, we have to check whether it's correct. We don't know whether it's correct because even if you make a mistake, like if you write 54, it will be wrong. So just check. This fact, see right side ma'am has written, this fact can be checked using addition. That we are going to just add the answer. What is the answer? What is the... Those who are joining later, don't ask me anything, please.
8.
Now, 44. What is the answer, children? What is the answer? 44. 44. 4 and 4, 44.
44.
No, 44. Now, what is the second number? What is the number you're going to subtract from there? 24. Now, just look at the screen,
24.
children. Yeah, just look. This answer and this number. If you add these two numbers, you will get the first number. Now, try. Now, tell me what is 4 plus 4? Now, see, that number should come here. So, how to do that? 68. Now, what is 4 plus 4? Please do it. 4 plus 4. 8. Very good. What is 4 plus 2? What is 4 plus 2?
2.
No. Add
6.
yeah.
6.
Now you got 6. So that means the answer is correct. Now don't make noise. Okay, turn off your mic. So the answer is correct. Now let's just look. Yeah, okay. Now 44 plus 24, you're getting 68. Same way, Niral, I want you to tell me. Now 1 minute. I'm going back. Yeah. Now you got, excuse me, those who came late. Those who came late, please take page number 60. Hereafter, don't ask me the page number when you come late. If some technical problem, it's okay. Take page number 60. But now you look at the screen because it's already done there. You listen to this working of the sum from the screen. Then I will ask you to take page number 60. So you'll wait. Now I call Niral. Niral?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, read that sum. Same thing. Read example 1. You read from the screen. Example 1.
Subtract
24
from 68
and check your answer. That leave it. Now, tell me if two numbers are given like this. There is a chance of you writing the first number first. No. From. If it's given like this in a sentence, from. Now, after from the number, tell me the number after from. What is the number? 24 and 68. Which number you have to write first?
24.
No, see, that's what I said. 24 and 68, you have to write the bigger number first. What is the bigger number over here, 68 or 24?
68.
Yes, sometimes children, see the solution you have to write. Listen carefully. There is no time for us to play. Okay, now we will give subtract 24 from 68. Otherwise, it will be very hard for you when you go to 3rd standard. Subtract 24. That means from 68. Write the first number. 68. 68. Okay, Niral. Now 68 we are writing first and 24 second. Now this will be easy for you because no borrowing. Now 68 minus 24 you are doing. What is 8 minus 4?
8 minus 4.
Already written over there. Take 4 from 8. You will get
4.
Oh, good. Next one. 6 minus 2.
6 minus 2. 4.
4. So you are getting 44. Now look at the screen. You are having this answer and this number. Always write the answer first. See here, 44 first. And the previous number, which number you are going to subtract. You write that number second. When you add these two numbers, you will get the first number. So Niral, just see. You have to get to somebody's talking behind Niral.
My
Now
mom,
some
ma'am.
other class. What class or something? Okay, now disturbance. Okay, now Niral, you have to get 68 by adding the answer. Somebody else is having the class in the same room.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen, disturbance, ma'am. Now 44 plus 24, that is answer 44. When you subtract 24 from 68, you are getting 44. Just look at the screen, nothing else. So please add 44 plus 24 now. What is 4 plus 4?
8.
8. What is 4 plus 2?
4 plus 2. 6.
4 plus 2. For us. Somebody is telling 6. What is 4 plus 2? Tell me fast. 4 in your mind, 2 on your
6,
fingers.
ma'am.
Just fast. Yeah, good. 6. So the answer is correct. See, 68 you are getting 68. You're minusing, you're subtracting 24, you're getting. Now we'll try to do the next. So the subtraction, so you know that the subtraction is correct. So much you have to do. Don't think that you are in second standard, you don't know all this. You must know. We get 68 as our answer. So the subtraction is correct. Now take your next sum in your textbook. Please take page number 60. Take the first number 75. It's written example 2. Example 2. It's easy now, children. Take example 2. Yes? Take. Yes. Now I want Jeff. Jeff,
Yes, ma'am.
now it's not very easy because you have to check. Example 2, my goodness. No, the question is wrong. 1 minute, children. Don't write example 2, 24, the same thing repeated. But you see only the sum.
Okay, ma'am.
Only the sum. Don't worry about the heading, children. That is the first one. Okay. Second one already in the textbook. Never mind textbook. Subtract 37 from 11. From we will do it. Okay. Let's subtract 24 from, that is the first sum. Just remove that. Okay. Don't worry about that. You see the textbook. I'll remove it later. Okay. I'll remove later. Before I could send, I will remove. You see the textbook sum. Example 2. Okay. Now we are going to do it. 1 minute. $37. From 75. Thank you.
Ma'am, I cannot see your
Okay, it's done. It's done. Just see. Yes, I changed it, children. Subtract 37 from 75. Now listen, don't talk. Turn off your mic. Now I called Jeff. Jeff. Now
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
going to. Now Jeff, just see the ones place numbers. Ones place numbers. 5
Yes,
and
ma'am.
7. Can you take 7 from 5?
No, ma'am.
So what should you do? Borrow from
Borrow from
7.
7.
10th place number. 5 will become what?
5 will become 15.
Okay, now. And 7 will become?
7 will become 6.
Yes. Look at the screen. Because you have, I mean, the textbook, it's done. Now listen carefully. Once again, you tell me. 7 is greater than 5.
7 is greater than 5.
Borrow from 10th place.
Borrow from 10th place.
5 will become 15.
5 will become 15.
7 will become 6.
7 will become 6.
Now minus and tell me, subtract and tell me, what will you get if you take 7 from 15? After 7, you count till 15 and tell me the answer. After 7.
After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15.
What is the answer?
Answer is 8.
So you are getting now I just put the answer together. What is 6 minus 3? What is 6 minus 3?
6 minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 3.
That minus must go up, never mind. Now, how will you check this number? You have to add, actually minus must go up, children. 38 plus 37. You add and tell me the answer. Now I'll call another child. Sai Vasavi, please add 38 plus 37 and tell me the answer. Come on. Sai Vasavi. Yes,
Ma'am.
tell me. What is 38 plus 37? First, we have to add one's place number. What is 8 plus 7? What is 8 plus 7? Sai Vasavi. Sai Vasavi, are you there? Just now you said yes, ma'am, and can't find her. Yes. Tridip.
15.
Okay, sorry, not Tridip, Sai Vasavi. Okay, listen, this 38. 1 minute, some disturbance. Sai Vasavi, your mic, when you turn on your mic, there is disturbance always. 8 plus 7, you are getting here. 15, 5. 5. Look at the screen. It's done. 8 plus 7, you are getting 5. 15. You are checking it. This answer must go up there, 38. Who's that speaking? Sangaraknam, please turn off your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sai Vasavi, 38 is the answer. So you have to write 38 and the previous number 37. 8 plus 7, 15. 5 you are writing down. 1 must go up. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. As it is shown in the textbook. Okay. This is only checking. Don't worry about that. It's just to make you understand, nothing to work out in the classwork note. Only you have to learn the procedure. Okay, thank you, Sai Vasavi. Now, next one is Tridip. We are going to do the next sum. Okay, this subtraction is correct. Now, see here, Tridip, we are having these sums. Okay, 2 sums we are going to do now. First one, Tridip has to do. Second one, Sri Mukilan, don't come now. Let Tridip complete the first one. Now, Tridip, we have 2 numbers. 92 minus, what is the next number? 25. Now, tell me like how I taught you. Check the ones place number. 1 minute. Yeah.
We will borrow from 10's place. 2 will become 12 and 9 will become 8.
Now, 1 minute. Stop. Let them do it. Children, please do this. Okay, wait. No, Tridip, wait. Let them work out. They will take time. Now, 5 is greater than 2. 5 is bigger. Wait, Tridip. Okay, you also do it. 5 is bigger than 2. Greater than. Okay, bigger. You cannot take 5 from 2. So, you have to borrow from 10's place. So, 9 will become 8. 1 less than the given number. And 2 will become 12. Don't write 1. You have not that you have to add 1, 3. You are adding 10 from 10's place. Always keep in your mind. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. Now, Tridip, please do it. 12 minus 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
What is the answer? I don't want both the answer. Okay, you are getting 7. Now, what is 8 minus 2?
8 minus 2.
After 2, yeah, 6. So, you're getting, I'm just putting the answer together. You're getting 67. I want, 1 minute, let them do, wait. Okay, Trideep, thank you for doing this subtraction. I will call another person. Now, all of you do till then. 92 minus 25. You cannot take 5 from 2. So you have to borrow from 10's place. So 2 will become 12. 10 plus 2, 12. 9 will become 8. 12 minus 5. After 5, you count till 12 in your mind. When you count, you just open your fingers and see now. Till you get practice like you have to do it. After 5, 6. When you count 6, you have to open the first finger. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You are getting 7. 8 minus 2, you are getting 67. Now, you have to write 67 on top. Here, 67. Please write in your textbook. It's done in your textbook. Now we are going to add. I need Sri Mukilan. Sri Mukilan, please tell. Where is Sri Mukilan? Sir, please let him answer, please. Yeah, Sri Mukilan. Now tell me, 67 plus 25. 25. Now you add 7 plus 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Please add. I want the step. You keep 7 in your mind and 5 on your fingers and tell me. What is 7 plus 5? Tell me after 7 you count. 5 numbers. After 7 you count. This is not subtraction. Add. Tell me.
After 5.
No. Sri Mukilan, look at the symbol. It's plus. It's not subtraction.
After 7.
Yeah, count.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's all. You add 5. See, don't confuse. You just look at the screen now. 7 plus 5, you are getting 12. You write 1 on top. See, neatly shown there. You don't ask any help from anybody. I told you, you have to listen to the teacher. Otherwise, I won't call your name. I'm telling you seriously. You do it. 7 plus 5, you are getting 12. Look at the symbol. It's plus. You are checking whether the answer is correct for the same sum. Now, add 1 plus 6 plus 2 in your mind. What is 6 plus 1? Take the big number. What is 6 plus 1? Look at the screen. 6 plus 1.
6 plus 1.
6 plus 1.
6 plus 1, 7.
7 plus 2.
7 plus 2.
After 7, count 2. What is it?
9.
Now, see that first number in subtraction. What is the first number in subtraction? Left side, you see. What is the first number? Is it 92 over there? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So the
92.
answer is correct. Okay, answer is correct. Now I need Sanjit. I want you to do the second sum. Sanjit, are you there? No. Sanjeevan.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanjeevan, good. How are you, Sanjeevan? Sanjeevan, how are you?
I'm fine, Sunil.
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay, good. Sanjeevan, please, ma'am will help you. Please do the second sum. Now, tell me the first number, second sum. What is the first number? 40.
45
Very good. Minus
19.
19. Now, Sanjeevan, you must be very, very careful. Check the numbers in one's place. What are the numbers, 2 numbers in one's place under O? What are the 2 numbers under O?
1,
No.
5,
5 and 9. Say
5, 9.
9. 5 and 9. Okay. Now tell me, can you take 9 from 5? Can you take 9 from 5? No, you cannot. What should you do now? You tell me, don't ask anybody. Tell me, what should I do?
We want to take the 4,
Ah,
then the 5 is the 50.
1 minute. Okay, very good. 5 will become 15 because you are borrowing from 4. 4 will become
The 4 will become to 3.
will become 3. Good. You are trying to tell. Very good. 4 will become 3. Then what should I do? 15 minus 9. Take 9 from 15. Tell me. 15 minus 9. What will you get? After 9, you have to count till 15. Now, please close your fingers. After 9, you count till 15. After 9, what is the next number? After 9.
6 man.
The answer is 6. I want you to tell me. After 9, you tell me. 10. Count on your fingers. After 9, 10. Take the first finger and tell 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't want the answer. I want you to tell me the step how you're doing it. Okay. You're getting 6. And what is 3 minus 1? What is 3 minus 1?
3 minus 1, 2 beginning 2.
Very good. Now you got 2. Very good. Now I want Sachin finished asking. Present. Present, can you check whether this answer is correct? To check this answer, what should I do, Present? Present, you think and tell me. What?
Call me, ma'am. Ma'am, you didn't even call me, ma'am.
No, I'm not calling. Wait, I will call you next time, not now. Sanjay and all I called, you all did not come. I called Sanjay, Sachin and all that. Now, Sanjeevan I called. Okay, Sanjeev, wait, let Present say now. Because I have asked you before, Mark is there.
Yes, sir, here.
For those who didn't get mark for the oral, I will ask one by one. Okay, Sanjeevan. Now, I want Present. Present, can you tell me how to do this checking?
3.
Okay, if you don't know, leave it.
Here, 3 man.
Present, where is he? Present. Now you got 26 answer over here. 26. Now, to check, Present, listen. To check this, you have to write 26. The same thing. See the arrow given? 26. Okay, Present. Learn. You don't listen to anything. Just do. 26. Okay.
26.
Now, 1 minute, ma. Yes, he is not listening. 26 plus 19. Add and tell me. If you're not able to do, I will call somebody else, Present. Okay, Present, wait. I will call somebody else because time is going. Sanjeevan, Sanjay Krishna, because when you all are sitting, you must sit properly in a place where you can do the work. Okay. Now, Sanjay Krishna, tell me 26 plus 19. Sanjay, please help me. Yes, tell me. How to do? What is 6 plus 9? Yeah. 5 and 1 should. Children, when you are in class, you must sit in a proper place where you can do the class work. Okay, don't disturb. Now, 6 plus 9, you are getting 15. You are adding 5, keeping 1 to the 10th place. Now, what is 1 plus 2 plus 1, Sanjay?
4.
1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. 1 minute, Sanjay. I know that you will have so many difficulties, but you must sit properly when you are studying. You must be comfort. Ma'am is ready to teach you, but you must be comfort when you sit in one place. Okay, Praja, next time you must be attentive in class and you must tell me. And you have to see the arrow given. You have to see how we are cutting all this. Okay, now children, Don't worry about it. Wait, I'll come back to you. This is nothing for the exam. Sanjay, thank you. For the exam. See, children, every day all won't get chance. Now some children, I call the next time different, because each day we'll have different class, and we'll call you and I will mark you over here. Okay. Now, thank you. Now I want to talk to, okay, children, 1 minute. Let me stop the class. Now,